Cases of pertussis, or whooping cough as it's more commonly known, have been on the rise across the nation over the past 2 years. Utah has been hit especially hard.
Our rate of disease last year was nearly 5 times the national rate. We saw nearly 1,500 cases of whooping cough, and we're still counting. 45 of those people were sick enough to be hospitalized, and we had 1 death.
Children who can't be fully immunized until they're at least 4 years old are always the hardest hit and consistently suffer the highest rates of disease.
This is Harrison Brazo. Harrison was born in December.
To keep babies like Harrison healthy, the adults around them need to be vaccinated. To help get that message out, Utah's public health departments teamed up to launch the Stop Whooping Cough campaign.
The goal of the Stop Whooping Cough campaign seems simple. It's to motivate adults to get the Tdap booster shot to help save babies.
Well before we had Harrison, my husband and I both got vaccinated. We felt it important for all of our family who would have close contact with Harrison to get vaccinated too.
The campaign website, www.stopwhoopingcough.org, features helpful resources for parents, like an email they can send to family members and caregivers encouraging them to get immunized. There's also a vaccine locator to find out where they can get immunized.
We need adults understanding, moms understanding how critical this is, and adults taking responsibility for it.
My husband decided to write an email to the family, just telling them how much, we care about this child and how we wanted to keep him safe. And to keep him safe meant having our family get vaccinated for pertussis.
Who is it?
The campaign also includes 2 television ads featuring unvaccinated family members who aren't allowed to be around a newborn baby. One of the ads is based on a real-life story.
At the health department one day, an individual, a dad, came in looking very frantic, said, "I need to get my pertussis shot."
Did you get your whooping cough booster shot?
No, I forgot.
And I said, "By the way, how come you're so passionate about this?" He said, "Because my wife said I can't come home until I get my pertussis shot."
It's really easy in and out type deal. It's a quick shot and you're done. So here we are, all vaccinated, and so is the family, and we had a wonderful Christmas, and nobody got ill.